Some of the favorite parts of Beast Code culture that I have here, definitely one, the fact that you can get free snacks. Let me tell you something. These free snacks are real. I came in with a whole bag of change. I had a Crown Royal bag full of change ready to sit here and start using the vending machines to get something to eat and snack. No need, left it in the car, right? Because here at Beast Code, you can get the free snacks. We can play video games. But again, that's like on your break or after working hours. We don't do that during the time. By all means, don't sit here and just look at it like that. But I mean, the fact that we have the atmosphere to where we can go ahead and decide to just have a tournament at any point of time, chess club, play Dungeons and Dragons. Your boy don't do that though. But I mean, but again, the option is there. And I mean, there's just so many other things we do. Christmas parties, just a Halloween party, whatever it is. And it's lovely to see grown folks come to work dressed in Halloween. You can't beat it. Christmas sweaters, the whole nine, there's all types of things. We having an Easter egg hunt. For real, for real. But they putting out some real prizes out there. So, you know, I mean, it is things like that that you just can't sit here and beat. And that's the culture that you sit here and love. That the fact that, again, it's like working at Google and Dave & Buster's, like all in one, along with not necessarily the Pentagon, but you know, but something like that, you know, some part of the Department of Defense, and you mix that in with Dave & Buster's and Google, and you have Beast Code. And it's just so lovely. And again, I wake up early just to come and do this every day.